What's going on, YouTube? This is the LazEe Panda. We're doing an educational video today, guys. So, in today's world, Pokemon cards are very hard to come by, and the big question is, where do you get them? So, enjoy the opening of the Shiny Feats tin by me and Bugs, and we're going to discuss how to get Pokemon cards, where to find them, what days, and let's get into it because I'm the LazEe Panda. I like being lazy. I don't like wasting time. So, my number one spot to get Pokemon cards right now in 2021 is Walmart. It seems that Walmart is constantly pretty well getting cards in on either Thursday or Friday. I go to Walmart on Thursday afternoon and I might check it again at nighttime around 5ish. Then also on Friday, I get there around noon. It's only going to be one of those days, but hey, we're getting cards. That's what we want. So that brings into my next subject, Target. They've quit selling cards at the store. So, how do you get them? You go online. So what I'm hearing right now with Target is that at about 7 o'clock on Fridays is when they're going to start uploading cards. It's all online, and you gotta be quick with baseball cards. I know it's not Pokemon cards. I'm hearing you can add 6 cards to your basket, but you can't add 3 and then put another order of 3 in. It's only one order. So that's how it is with baseball. I believe it was about 7:15, 7 o'clock when those cards were getting updated. And yep, check out, get that credit card ready. You snooze, you'll lose. Another store, I don't have it in my state to my knowledge, but Meijer's, Meijer, something like that. I could be spelling it wrong. I've never been there, but I heard they're still doing cards on Fridays. So that's another great spot. Another place I've been having good success is Gamestop. I actually talked to the people at Gamestop. They said that around 2 or 3 o'clock, come in, check in. They're also very friendly if you call. So before you drive up, give GameStop a call. They've been doing a pretty good job. I did see that it was a little inflated. One time they had a Dragon Pull Shiny Fates, and it was a little inflated than what it usually is. But hey, whatever. I talked to the people at Best Buy. They saying that they're not really stocking the cards. It's more just online. So always be checking for their updates online. Usually sells and people pick it up is what they told me. I had one time where it was about a 2-hour trip away from me that I could buy it online and pick up in stores, so I do have some justification on what I can say with that. Here we go. This one freaked me out. Barnes & Noble. I almost had a heart attack, but you know what? I saw it, and they delivered. We went there on a Wednesday, and they had battle styles. So they're getting cards, and I don't think people are checking that place out a lot. So now we're getting into a different area of where to look at cards. Those are the big box stores that I've kind of had good success in. Number one being Walmart, Thursdays and Fridays. Secondly being Target. So now let's talk first about how to price cards. I use TGC. It tells you the value of what Elite Trainer boxes go for, packs go for, or go on eBay and hit the sold. Make sure it's sold. You want to make sure you're paying a good price because now we're talking about places that inflate prices. That's your local card shop. I went to one place, $90 for Elite Trainer EB box. I went to another card shop, $126. So they can really up the price, and but they have a ton of inventory in both of the stores I went to of cards. But you know what? It's almost double the price of what retail sells for. Another place, eBay. A lot of auctions on there. A lot of buy it nows, but they're also inflated. That's why I said make sure that you are paying an appropriate price by checking TGC and eBay before you go out and go find cards. And I just don't want to see anybody getting taken advantage of. Online stores, type in Pokemon cards. With both eBay and online stores, please make sure that you are doing your due diligence, make sure it's a good company before you buy the cards. I would hate for you to get ripped off. You get fake Pokemon cards. They never ship them. So just make sure that they're reputable. See how many stars they got. Look at reviews. Don't be gullible. You'll be bamboozled. Don't get bamboozled. Okay? Alright. And my big thing is, I hope you guys get cards, but be respectful. If there's 6 Eevee boxes, leave them for some other people. I mean, you were happy that you found them. Don't ruin it for other people, you know, by buying all 6 of them and such. You know, it's a great feeling going to a Walmart and seeing cards, but, you know, a lot of the stuff I mentioned, it's hard for kids to go out and get cards. I mean, a kid can't go to Walmart at 1 o'clock during the afternoon. He can't. Maybe he can be at the Target thing. Oh, also, the Target is at Eastern time. Don't forget that. 7 o'clock Eastern time. So, Boogs has a question for you at the end of the video. Please answer that question. Thanks for listening to me. Please enjoy the rest of the opening of the Shiny Fates 10, and we'll see y'all next time.
Yeah, that Kyogre.
Yeah, special.
Whoa.
Amazing rare Kyogre.
What's it going for?
Whoa! In mint condition, rated of 9, eBay for $189. Cute monkeys! 80. That's a good card.
That's a good card, right? What's the style called? Is it like, it's not a secret arts, I don't think. It's just something special. Rusted Seal, Daydreams. Nothing.
This is rare animation.
More Pico and Celebi, legendary
Aww.
Pokemon Celebi. Very nice.
Well, it didn't sell for $189, but that's what it's
Listed for?
just says amazing rare shiny fates.
No, that Kyogre card's very nice.
Ooh, 2021.
This is the last pack, fellas.
Will you get anything better than that Kyogre card?
I feel like that's the card, but we have not gotten a shiny yet.
You're right. The last 2 shiny pins we've opened were both shinies.
Let's see if we got. Uh-oh.
What is that?
Oh, I did a little peek. Whoa! Woo!
Shiny.
Woo! 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 Woo!
Woo woo!
Cops are coming! Woo! Woo! And the Evo holographic. There we go,
there's our
guys.
Shiny of the box.
I'm pretty happy with this. I hope you are. If you liked the video, hit that smash. If you didn't like the video, hit that dislike button 2 times.
Let me know where you're getting your cards, because I'm gonna go there.
Boogs wants to know where you're getting your cards at. I'm telling her it's the pandemic of Pokemon cards right now. They're going quicker than toilet paper right now. We'll see you next time on the LazEe Panda.